Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Alphabet series. The first three episodes will be dedicated to the three long vowels.
And the first one is uh. It is the equivalent for A. And this is how it looks.
Just a simple vertical line.
It looks like the vertical part in the small a. This is a useful way to remember its shape. It is the equivalent for A and looks like the vertical part in the small a. The sound is To pronounce it correctly, you need to open up your mouth. It is an extended sound. Please repeat after me. Long vowels take time of 2 counts. As if you were taking time for pronouncing 2 letters. Come on, focus on the shape and repeat the sound.